Hi there, students. I had a question from Learn about what's the difference between to keep a promise and to keep to a promise. I think essentially the meaning of the two is exactly the same, although I think there's a slight difference in nuance. Firstly, keep a promise is less formal than keep to a promise. I think you keep a promise, you don't break it. Whereas you keep to a promise, you follow the exact things that you said, the exact words that you said, the exact promise. So keep to the straight and narrow, keep to the line, follow the line exactly. Yes, so you are if you keep to a promise, you follow exactly what you said. I think the keep a promise, this is talking about the spirit of the promise. So you keep the law, but you can keep to the letter of the law. And I think the difference is you are keeping to the letter. You're keeping to exactly what it says. Yeah, even if that is not in the spirit of the promise that you made. Yeah, to keep the law is to be honest and follow the principles of the law. Keep to the law, you are following exactly what it says is legal or illegal. Yeah, you don't actually break it. And I think that's probably the difference between keep a promise and keep to a promise. Yes, so if you keep a promise, you do what you both know was meant by this. If you keep to the promise, you follow the exact words that you said, but maybe this doesn't actually go in line with the feeling or the spirit of that promise. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Keep a promise. Keep to a promise.